Good morning, Sonia and Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. We are sanitizing and deodorizing this carpet. The owner of this house rent each room separate, and they just need this area, the hallway, and the stairs. So we already vacuum. We are gonna vacuum the stairs, pre-treat all the stains. We bring our Orec because it's a small area, it's in really good condition, and it's refreshing the carpet, deodorizing and sanitizing. Thank you for watching our services. Anyhousecleaning.com 407-572-4118. Today we are using the Orec to agitate the carpet with a nylon brush, really soft. Now we are using the Orec with the pad holder and the Gladiator cotton blend pad to extract the soil from the carpet and do the transfer into the cotton, and at the same time drying the carpet. Each job has his own way to do it. I have to check the carpet and decide what kind of system we're going to use, because this is a small area, just 3 areas. We bring our Orec orbital scrubber. We already have the Phoenix OP machine, the Trinity. However, for 3 areas, 150 is not worth it to bring it to the second floor. This machine works excellent. And also Sonia was vacuuming the stairs and then pre-treated, and we're going to scrub in a little bit. So you are seeing right now the hallway, and we're going to scrub in a little bit. So you are seeing right now the hallway that we are extracting with the cotton blend pad. This is the pad for extracting